Oh, yeah? Huh. Yeah, isn't he only a freshman? So what's a freshman going to a junior prom for? No. That's weird. No. Yeah. Huh. Yeah, I'm doing a little recording right now. Yeah, just so I can show you it. It's funny. And I'm holding a grenade now so you can see how many kills I get. 10,000. So, yeah, you get 10,000 points for holding your own grenade and killing yourself with it. It's pretty funny. Yeah, now I'm showing you that I'm in the air. Yeah. I know. Yeah. Yeah, I know, it's funny. Oh, there I go, I died.